Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will be going to give you few tips which will help you to score marks more than 100 in Kcet exam. To score good marks in Kcet or any other competitive exam, it's essential to have a well-structured study plan and preparation strategy. Here are some tips that might help you. Tip number 1. Understand the exam pattern. Start by understanding the Kcet exam pattern, the type of questions asked and the marking scheme. It will help you plan your study schedule and identify the areas you need to focus on. Tip number 2. Follow the syllabus. Kcet exam covers topics from physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology. Make sure you have a clear understanding of the Kcet exam syllabus and focus on the topics that carry maximum weightage. Tip number 3. Practice previous year papers. Practice previous year Kcet question papers to understand the difficulty level of the exam, the type of the questions asked and the time management required. Tip number 4. Create a study plan. Create a study plan that includes all the topics and subtopics covered in the Kcet syllabus. Allocate enough time for each subject and topic and make sure you cover all the topics well before the exam date. Tip number 5. Study regularly. Consistency is key when it comes to the exam preparation. Make sure you study regularly and revise the topics frequently. Take short breaks in between your study sessions to keep your mind fresh and focused. Tip number 6. Seek help. If you face any difficulties or doubts, don't hesitate to seek help from your teachers or mentors or your parents. You can also join some online forums or discussion groups to clarify your doubts and learn from others. Tip number 7 and the last, stay positive. Finally, stay positive, calm and confident while appearing for the exam. Don't stress yourself too much and believe in your abilities. With the right preparation and attitude, you can score good marks in the Kcet exam and you can success. So this much in this video. So we will be creating a new video soon. Thanks for watching.